Hello, this is Eric Dalton, and thanks for your interest in my Treating Trapped Nerves home study course. Many of our clients seek therapeutic bodywork for chronic neck, back, and pelvic pain, and it's our job to understand how tension, trauma, and poor posture can compress nerves, jam joints, and produce protective muscle spasm. In the early 90s, I had the opportunity to study with famed physiotherapist David Butler, one of the developers of Neuromobilization. And I feel his work is a missing link for those of us who deal with chronic syndromes such as thoracic outlet, cubital tunnel, carpal tunnel, piriformis, and sciatica. And it's an honor to present my version of his work in this Treating Trapped Nerves home study course. Treating Trapped Nerves comes alive in this 3 DVD set and accompanying manual, which include technique demonstrations and corrective self-care exercises for relieving pain due to nerve damage, inflammation, and protective muscle guarding. You'll find the broadcast quality DVDs easy to navigate and loaded with anatomical dissection and computer animation clips that will enrich your learning experience. The fully illustrated spiral-bound manual is filled with colorful photos and technique descriptions that follow my hands-on corrections in exact order. Therapists love the manual's durable, waterproof, glossy pages which resist stains from lotions or oils and make it a nice addition in the treatment room. So set up your therapy table, grab a buddy, and follow me through as we apply these fantastic pin and stretch, graded exposure, and nerve gliding techniques. Then I'll show you some simple client home retraining exercises to enhance the hands-on work we've just done. The Treating Trapped Nerves course contributes 16 continuing education units toward our 210-hour Master Musculoskeletal Therapist certification requirements. Designed to elevate your clients to a new level of health, our goal at the Freedom from Pain Institute is to empower your journey into the lucrative world of pain management and to help you build a loyal client base. Upon purchase, you'll be sent the Treating Trapped Nerves DVDs and accompanying manual to study at home. Take however long you need to study and practice before taking the test. Once you pass the test, you'll receive a handsome diploma to proudly display in your office. You'll also be listed in our highly searched online directory of myoskeletal body workers and will have taken that first giant step toward Master Musculoskeletal Therapist certification. I'd also like to let you know that Treating Trapped Nerves is now available as a fully online e-learning course. Simply watch the videos, read the technique descriptions, and take the test on your computer, tablet, or phone. And upon successful completion, you can download your 16 CE diploma. So if you want to provide lasting results by quickly identifying and correcting common causes of chronic nerve pain, this course is for you. Take that first step now and join the ranks of successful certified musculoskeletal therapists. Thank you, Eric Dalton.